Hello, I'm immigration attorney Candace Vanderwall, and I work at Vanderwall Immigration, and we're creating a series of videos to share with you more information about consular processing. Consular processing is when you have your final interview for your green card in your home country, usually because you can't prove that you entered the United States lawfully. So the first step in consular processing is always the petition, and the petition is where you prove your relationship between the petitioner and the applicant. So usually it's between a husband and a wife. And in the petition, the government is looking to make sure that the relationship is legitimate, that you're together for the right reasons, and that you're not together just to get a green card from someone. So you want to present a lot of information about your relationship and that you act like a married couple would act. So things like proof that you live together, proof that you have children together, proof that you communicate often, and proof about what you communicate about. So we put together this information with the application material and we send it to immigration, and they review to see if they believe your relationship is legitimate. Sometimes they may request an interview for you if they have any concerns or doubts about your relationship. During the interview, the officer is going to ask you questions to determine if they believe that your relationship is legitimate. So they could ask you things like, what color car does your wife drive? And if you say blue and she says red, then it's obvious that you don't know much about each other and that you don't live together. So at the conclusion of the interview, if the officer believes that your relationship is legitimate, then you can move on to step 2. And you need to follow us and watch our next video to learn more about step 2 in the process, which is the pardon or the waiver. Stay tuned. See you then.